Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dual apps on your Samsung phone. So let's get started. Now, in order to enable this and use this feature, very first step is actually downloading the app that you like for the dual app. Usually this is going to be your Messenger app. So in the Play Store, make sure you go ahead and download it. I already have it downloaded here, so I'll show you how that's done. So in order to get that, first thing you're going to do is go into your setting. And from your setting here, we're going to scroll and look for essentially the option for advanced features. And then from advanced feature, we're going to go down to dual messenger. So when you do dual messenger, if you already have an app that's downloaded that does have dual app option, it's going to be under dual messenger and it's going to be listed here. So what you need to do in order to enable it is just simply toggle them on and then click on install, which will create a second copy of that app, essentially creating a dual app. You can do that as all the apps that are available here. And additionally, if you like, you can also create a separate contact list if you want for those apps as well, which is an optional feature, but again, not needed. So that's how you would do it. Again, the key thing is first downloading the app and then coming over here and seeing if it's available on this list, and then you can enable it. Not all apps are going to be available for this dual feature, so keep that in mind. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Also, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. So see you guys next time.